Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to do a let's get ready for the Spring Black Friday sale where I go over the ad, go over some notable sales, and go over the actual physical items that I have, that I've used, that I can recommend, things that, I may not recommend, things like that. So let's kind of get into this. If you guys have seen my other videos, I did one for when this leak came out and also when the physical one came out. I know there was a drop, I think yesterday, the day before, of a digital ad that adds a few more items. I'm going to actually put a link to that ad in the description if you guys want to look at it more in detail. I do have kind of a printed copy here just for my own reference, so I'll kind of note some of the things that were added on there. But honestly, most of the deals have already been printed. There's only a couple of, I think, deals that I want to mention that have been added to those two extra pages because a lot of stuff was kind of just shuffled around. So first of all, let's start over here with the dates. So for Inside Track Club members, April 6th, so Monday, it's going to start for you guys. So if you're watching this, the day it comes out, that is tomorrow. And then for everybody else, it's going to start on April 10th, and it goes all the way through Monday, April 13th. So as I usually say on these videos, there's a couple things I'm going to repeat myself on. One, things in the yellow sections here usually are going to be deals that they have constantly, so it's not things that I usually get super excited for. There are a couple of exceptions, which I'll kind of note as I'm going through it. And then the other thing is whenever I'm seeing any items, especially if they're items that are like this guy right here where it's less than 20 bucks, if it's not at least 30% off, again, it's not something I'm probably going to be looking for, at least during this sale. But there are some deals up here that you see that I think will be pretty decent deals. So let's kind of get started with that. And then as usual, the percent off sales I think are going to be the best deals and what is going to get most people lined up for these sales. So let's kind of get started here. The two I'm going to mention, kind of right off the bat that are in the top section is one is going to be the meme tool. $27.99, great price for this guy. This is a much used tool. I bought a few of these. I have them in a couple of my cars. I have them upstairs as well. I have them in some go bags, so it's a great little piece to take with you. One quick note that I found out is I guess they changed manufacturers on these fairly recently. So if you have an older one and you're buying a newer one, it's going to be a little bit different. And I think the main difference is going to be the bit ratchet itself. So I actually might try to pick one up just to see if I can get one of the new ones, just so I can kind of compare and contrast it for myself. The other thing I want to kind of mention is going to be these cutoff wheels for $3.98. 50% off whenever these things go on sale. I usually will pick up a pack or two. Use these for the business a lot. They're great for cutting, especially things like aluminum for me. So if that's something that you're looking for, it might be a good time to stock up on them right now. The Braun sale right over here, 40% off of all Braun lights. I mean, usually a lot of the lights, like especially like this guy is one of my favorite ones that they have there. I think it's 500 lumens. It articulates very, very well. Has just one light on there, unlike the Icon, but you don't really need a second light just because you can put it in pretty much any position that you want. And this thing usually goes on sale for about 50% off, but even at 40% off is something that you've been looking at. I think it's a great one to pick up. And then this is one I don't hear a lot of people talk about, but this neck light right here from Braun, I actually like this guy a lot. It has like a focusing light, and one nice thing that I kind of tend to use this is I will have one kind of as a floodlight, one as a spotlight, so I have the entire area illuminated and exactly what I'm working on illuminated, and it lasts a bit longer than some of the other neck lights that I've had just because it has a larger battery pack back here. So something to kind of consider, and then let's kind of go through these percent off sales here real quick. So 30% off of tie downs, great tie downs. I use these guys for work all the time. Haven't really had any problems with them. I haven't used the E-Track tie downs yet, but the ratcheting and elastic ones, haven't really failed me. Hardy gloves, 40% off. Normally their gloves, it's just a disposable type gloves that they have on sale. So this one, if you're looking for non-disposable gloves, 30% off of all cordless tool batteries. We got Atlas, we got Hercules, we got Bauer. I got a couple of my Bauer 5 amp batteries right here. They sell these things in a 2-pack for I think it's about 130 bucks. 30% off. I think it breaks it down to about the mid 40s for each one, which for a 5 amp battery, I don't think is a bad price. If you buy one individually, it's not that far off. It's only a couple dollars more. A few times in the year, they will have it for a little bit cheaper, but again, if you guys are looking to stock up on some batteries, not a bad time for this particular deal right here. But then this one is going to be the one I think that's going to get most people excited about. So we're going to kind of move on from the table here in just one quick second, but I'll show you, so it has Doyle, has Icon, has Quinn, all screwdrivers and pliers. So I think, a few things are going to go really quickly, but before I go to my toolbox to show you some of the other stuff, we have some Quinn pliers right here. I like Quinn. Again, this is something that I use for the business. I bought these guys because they're relatively inexpensive, kind of a step up from the Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty, use these things on a daily basis, not these particular ones, but the ones I have at the office, or the warehouse, I should say. And these things, last, I haven't broken one yet, been using them, nonstop. So great little guys. And one kind of set that they also have is a set that is 4 pliers. It comes with the channel lock style, a needle nose, some side cutters, and a linesman style, which I don't have right here. And it's like $20 as the normal price. So if you, with 35% off, I think that is going to be a pretty good deal for you. But let's kind of take you over here to the toolbox real quick. Hopefully I can do this without messing it up. But I think the deals that are really going to get people are going to be the 35% off, especially the Icon pliers and maybe the Doyle pliers. If you guys have been looking for, some Knipex style, Cobras, things like that, Doyle makes a great set of those. And for 35% off, I think it's a good time to pull the trigger. Right now, I think this is pretty much the full set of everything Icon has in store, at least to my knowledge, unless something's come out recently. So all these bright red handles right here, along with a few of these ones in the back right here, and those pistol grip ones in the back. So 35% off, it's a good time to pick them up. I know every once in a while they will go to 40% off, but depending on what you're looking to buy and how much you're looking to stock up, pricing difference isn't that bad. And I think this one obviously is going to be the one that usually sells out, at least it does at my local stores. If you pick this guy up at 35% off, I think it's a good deal. I bought a couple of these guys. I have one in the toolbox. I have one in my main go bags as well. So great little set of pliers to get. So 35% off, you can stock up on pretty much all these guys. And then the other thing that's going to be 35% off is going to be all of the Icon screwdriver. So now they have the red and the green versions. I actually might go pick up another set of these green ones to put in a go bag, because these guys just came out fairly recently. So something to kind of consider. And you can even get these, these little guys as well as part of the sale. And then one set that not a lot of people talk about is going to be these Quinn pliers right over here in the corner. It's a large set that you're going to get, very, very high quality. I believe the normal price is $27.99, so 35% off of that. And you get all the all the screwdrivers that you see right here in front of you. It's a pretty good deal to go with. So let's kind of get back to the table here and see what else we got going on. Give me 1 second to set up. I apologize. There we go. Okay, so let's go to the second part of the first page here. And so we have, I'm not going to go through every line item. If you guys want to see that, I'll link my video at the end where I did go through, most of the line items on here. But I'm just going to mention the ones, again, that I can kind of really speak to because of experience. This Yukon storage cabinet, great cabinet. I have these things installed in all of our box trucks, as well as the warehouse. I've bought 3 of these in the last maybe 6 months. Great guys. And even on the box truck where it's moving around all day long, I removed the wheels and just mounted it directly, but it's moving around all day long, and haven't had any issues with that guy. And then this jack right over here I like as well. Down here in the yellow section, again, nothing really to write home about. Now, just a quick note, on the first page that we just went over, on the digital flyer, nothing has really changed whatsoever. It's exactly the same. On the other pages, there have been some additions, and maybe I can go through a little bit of that towards the end. Over here, we have, some more jacks, if you guys are looking for that. We got a jump starter over here, and then we have a few US General storage solutions. So the first one, oops, sorry for that noise, guys. So I'll talk about a couple of these here real quick. So the 4-drawer cart, $169, not a bad deal. I would personally wait until the 5-drawer goes on sale for maybe a little bit more. Usually it bottoms out at $179 or $189. So for 10 or 20 bucks more, you're going to get a little bit more cart than you would with this 4-drawer right over here. And I have the 5-drawer kind of hidden, kind of right back over there, if you guys can see it. Have had that for a couple years and has treated me very, very well, even though I have the Series 2, not the Series 3 that just came out. This 56-inch roll cab right over here, that's going to be the one that you guys just saw with my with my tools in there. So that's the bottom section right over here. $100 off, not a horrible deal. A lot of times during the year you can get a little bit better deal than that. But I've had this thing now for, I think I'm creeping on about 1.5 years just on the bottom section. Treated me very well. I was thinking about getting the Icon. I'm personally glad I didn't spend the money, at least not yet. I don't need it. I know it has the drawers are a little bit wider, things like that. But for my purposes, this 56-inch is I think the best value for the money that you're going to get on any of their storage solutions. Let's go down to the bottom section here and let's talk about a couple things. So the one I really want to talk about here is going to be this multi-spline extractor set, the 15-piece for half price, 50% off of Icon. It's always a good deal when they go, that low, $25. I don't have the 15-piece, but I have the 25-piece, which I'll show you here right now. And that's going to be this guy right here. And honestly, I can't recommend this thing enough. It's actually gotten me out of a few jams before where I really needed an extractor and none of my other things worked, and something like this worked really well. Now for the 15-piece, basically, you're just not going to get the 10 biggest sizes. So it's going to be this row right here, and then these 3 guys right here. But from this on down, that's the 15 pieces you're going to get. So if you don't work on, really big fasteners, then something like this, I think, is going to work for you. And this goes all the way up to 9/16 on that size. I actually was looking at it in store and kind of comparing the sizes just to see if it comes with anything additional to what I have in my set. And it doesn't. Again, it just looks like it just gives you the smaller sizes. So that is down here. Let me see what else we got going on. I've talked about these guys before, the heat gun for 50% off and the welding kit for 50% off. If you guys work with plastics, stuff like that, great little sets to go with. I don't think people talk about these guys enough. I don't use a heat gun enough to spend the money on a cordless one, but having a corded one for $10 that I can, get a couple times out of the year works really well for me. Let's go to the next page here. So again, in the yellow section, not much really to talk about, at least from my perspective. And then let's kind of move on down to see what else we got going on. And let's see, is there anything I want to talk about here? Not really. So let's go ahead and go to the last page. And then once we're done with the last page, I'll just do some kind of honorable mentions from the digital flyer that have been updated. So here's the last page right over here. So from the top section, a couple things that catch my eye. One's going to be this drill bit set right here. I always talk about this guy. Same thing. It's almost like these ones. They're kind of disposable. Whenever they're on sale, I'll pick up a set. They work great for my work. I don't drill into anything harder than aluminum. So for aluminum and wood, they work really, really good and gives you a very comprehensive set of drill bits. And then this guy, just some fuses for your car, both standard and mini, if you guys are looking for it. But it's way cheaper to have this than to have to run out to AutoZone or Pep Boys or one of those type of places and grab some fuses when you need them. You can have kind of a comprehensive set just in your tool bag or tool box. We got some corded Bauer tools, some corded Hercules tools, and then moving on down here. Only real couple last things I want to talk about. We got the steamer right over here, for 37% off. Pretty good deal. The wife asked me to pick this thing up a while back when they were on sale. If you're looking to clean things without chemicals, just water, it's a great one to go with. The reservoir is large enough to get you steam for about 20 or 30 minutes. And then down here, the last thing I kind of want to talk about is going to be these hammers. I know you guys probably think it's silly. I talk about these hammers almost every single time they're on sale. But again, I buy these all the time. You can kind of see how beat up these things, are over here. I mean, it's a hammer. It has a lifetime warranty, has a fiberglass handle. What can you say? For under $4, it's a great one to get. I personally prefer the rip style hammer if that's what you're looking for, but they have the claw as well if you guys want that. So let me kind of go back to the first page, just where we started here. But then what I'm also going to do is I want to bring out the printed digital flyer. So I'm a bit old school. I have to print it, and I kind of went through the flyer. And again, I'm not going to go through this. It's a little too small to go on camera, but the first page is pretty much identical. And then I actually went through and looked at everything to see what was added. And there's only a couple things that I kind of want to note. So it looks like there's a lot more corded Bauer tools that were added to the sale. It looks like a table saw, a miter saw, and a miter saw stand. And then right over here we got These are the kind of ones that I wanted to mention. The little mini toolbox, not a bad deal, although that would kind of fall under the one where I would wait till it's 30% off. But if you've been looking for one of these guys, 14 bucks, not a bad deal. And then we got the icon light. So if you don't like the Braun deal for 40% off of here, you can go ahead and get the icon light instead. And it comes in a few colors. And then what else do we got going on here? And that's really the main ones on that page. Let's continue on. Here it looks like we got a rotary tool that was added on. We got it looks like an auger and a few other Atlas tools that were added on. You know, a few things added on in the yellow sections right over here. But like I said, I'm going to link this actual flyer down below just so you guys can see it if you guys are looking for it. And then this is the last page of that flyer, and really the only, looks like they added, again, a few more things. Like pretty much everything on this last page is new as far as the yellow section, and quite a few of them on the bottom. If you guys notice, that black dot, little Sharpie, was me going through and seeing that it was new to this particular flyer. And then the only one of really note for me, at least, is going to be this guy right over here, which is going to get you 25% off of this icon light. This one has, natural light and UV light, if that's something that you guys are looking for. So for you body shop guys and for people looking for leaks, this might be a good one. I've said it before, I'm not a huge fan of this light just because of how how big it is. I prefer this one instead, as you guys can see how big of a difference that is. But the good thing about this, it does last quite a while because the battery is bigger. But for my purposes, something like this works perfectly versus something like this. So again, look in the description. I'll have a link to the digital flyer so you can see those 2 extra pages that were added. But again, a lot of the stuff was just kind of just shuffled around from the main flyer right over here. So kind of par for the course for Harbor Freight. So this video is getting a bit longer than my normal one, so I'm going to wrap it up here. So again, here's the first page, April 6th all the way through April 13th. And again, I think this is going to be the deal that everyone is looking for. So if you're looking, especially for those icon pliers, this is the time where I would go and stock up. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.